Hello everyone. I am back with my new video where we will be creating a Windows EC2 instance. Here we will be creating an RDP instance. RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol. It is a protocol developed by Microsoft that allows user to remotely access and control another computer over the network connection. Basically, RDP operates on TCP/IP protocol and it allows secure communication between the client and server. So let's start. I am into the AWS Management Console. Here I will click on EC2. We will be creating a Windows remote machine. I'll click on Launch Instance. I'll give the name as Windows VM because we are creating a virtual machine. And for the Amazon machine image, we are going to create a Windows machine, so we will select Windows. In my previous video I have shown you how we can create Amazon Linux EC2 instance. Today I'll be showing you Windows. So here this is the free tier eligible, so this is the AMI which is available, which we can use in the free tier eligible. There are many images are there. Now instance type we will select T2.micro. It's already free tier eligible. Here we will get one virtual CPU and 1 GB of memory. Now for the key pair login, I will create a new key pair for our Windows instance. So I'll say Windows key pair and we will be selecting .pem as it is, and we'll click on create key pair. For the network settings, we will allow RDP traffic, allow HTTPS and HTTP. Everything, this is the default VPC. Subnets, we have not provided any preference, and auto assign public IP is enabled. So that's how configure storage will keep everything as default, and we'll create a one instance. So we'll click on launch instance. So it will take some time to create to launch our instance. Now our instance is already into the running state. I'll click on this and click on connect. So here we are getting three: session manager, RDP client and EC2 serial console. So we'll click on RDP client. This is the instance ID of our virtual machine, and the connection type we will be using is connect using RDP client. So here we are getting a link to download the remote desktop file. So I'll click on this. A file will get downloaded. See, I'll open the folder for that and I'll click on this. So this file will basically allow for my remote desktop connection, and here it is saying me the remote computer. This is the public DNS for my Windows virtual machine. I'll click on connect. So it is asking me to provide the password for the administrator. So for getting the password, here we can see here password, get password. We'll click on this, and now we have to upload the private key which we have created when we were provisioning our EC2 instance. So I'll click on upload private key file, and here in my downloads folder the private key is there. So this is the private key, Windows key pair.pem file. So I will upload this, and here it has provided the private key content. So I will now click on decrypt password. So I have got my password and I will be providing here the same password, and I'll click on OK. Now it will take some time to connect to my Windows virtual machine. So we are into the Windows machine, and it is now provisioning our machine. So now we are into the Windows virtual machine which we have provisioned. It looks like this. So now you can run your workloads, or you can run whatever your things you want to, softwares you want to run onto the Windows machine. That's how we can provision Windows RDP instance. Thank you so much.